Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, I have a playlist full of technology tutorials like this one. I hope this video helps you. Today's video tutorial is about how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. This is simple, so please watch until the end and try not to skip. Step 1. First, check if your Facebook app is up to date. If it's not, update it, and then open your Facebook app. Once you've opened your Facebook account, find and click on your profile. Step 2. Before we continue, if this video helps you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now, let's move on to the second step. Find the 3 dots under your profile, next to Edit Profile. Click on these 3 dots, then scroll down to find Turn on Professional Mode, and click on it. You'll see some information on the screen. Read through it, and then click Turn On. Next, choose your audience setting, Public, Friends, or Custom. I suggest choosing Public. Why? Because if you want to become a content creator like me, you can create videos such as Reels and even earn from them. You don't need to create a separate page. You can use your profile in professional mode. Select Public and then click Next at the bottom. You'll see another screen. Read through it and then click Confirm. And that's it. Your default audience on Facebook is now set to public. You can change your settings anytime. Click Done. Next, you'll see Finish setting up your profile. Scroll down to Connect with your audience. Complete the settings here, like adding details about yourself. Click on Add details about yourself, and you'll see options. The first option is Category. Click the Edit, Pen, icon next to it, and choose a category that matches your content. I'll choose Blogger. After selecting, click Save. Complete the other options and save again. You'll see a green check mark indicating completion. Fill out the rest of the settings to get all green checks. Once done, click Back. Now your professional mode is activated. You can see my 7 followers, who are my friends, converted to followers. That's how simple it is to turn on professional mode on Facebook. I hope you followed along with the tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.